Hello friends, good morning. I'm here again with another video in the accounting modules about the inventory valuations. Whatever the inventory that we purchase from the vendors, the number of the stocks we are available, we need to calculate on that, number of the prices that we need to average on that, number of the times we purchase from the vendors. So we need to calculate how we can average our inventory price that we can see in our Flectra database and how will it reflect in our accounting modules in the balance sheet. So let's take you directly to the Flectra database. So here we are again with the Flectra database. I'm going to click on the inventory module. So let's go directly to the configurations on the product category. So we have the product categories about the inventory. So here we're gonna select about the all saleable office furnitures. So as you can see, if I'm gonna click on edit, there is a valuations, all these things happening. So the category name will be the office furnitures, and as you can see the inventory valuation over here and the costing method, which is a standard price. So let's select on a average cost. So inventory valuation would be the automated. So once I click on automated, it's directly saying that account stock the property is over here. So we need to select the account valuation, stock general, the input account and output account. If I click over here as a manual, it is not mandatory. So once I click on automated, it is mandatory. So I'm going to click over here, which is a save button. So let's go directly to the product. I'm going to create a new product. So a drawer with cabinet. Okay, as we can select over here the product category, which is our office furniture. So this is how I'm going to select. We have the sales price, so I'm gonna select over here, which is 120. Yes, is 120 selected. The cost would be, I'm just writing down, left it out the 0 as we not select anything. I'm gonna save this product. So I'm gonna just save this product. Now I'm going directly to the purchase and create one double. So let's go directly to the purchase. I'm going to select the vendors. Okay, I'm going to edit the product, which is a drawer with cabinet. So unit price I'm going to here select as a $75. So as you can see the $75, I'm gonna save it, confirm the order. So I'm gonna create the receive product, validate it. As we select the process, all the process about the receiving products, and of course I'm gonna create a new duplicate over here. Okay, so before that as we do the duplicate, so let's go back on our purchase order, which is this. So I can create a bill as well. So if I want to create a vendor bill, I can confirm with that as well. So this pop-up is just about the billing date, so I'm just select on that, it's confirm. So let's go back to on the product. If I'm going back to on the product, as we purchase on the average cost about, so if I'm writing down drawer with cabinets, so as you can see the cost price would be the $75 per unit as we purchase. Now we duplicate these orders. So as I created, so I'm gonna select over here, which is a 75. Now I'm gonna click on a 65. I'm gonna save this. RFQ, confirm this order, receive the products. I'm gonna validate on that. So let's go back on this. So once I click over here, okay, let's go back to the product. Our product is a drawer with cabinets. If I click over here, as you can see, the cost price has been averages. So this is how you can create, and cost price will be average about the inventory valuation. The number of the time you purchase from the vendors, you can create on that. So it will directly reflect on our accounting modules. So let's go on the accounting modules. So if I'm clicking on our accounting modules, as you can see in the reportings, we can find out all the general entries over here. So if I'm click on the general entries, we can find out all the our inventory valuation. As you can see, the drawer with cabinet are all 2 valuations. If I click on balance sheet, and if I'm gonna print over here all the entries, but I'm just selecting on the today's date. Okay, so I'm just gonna print off the balance sheets. If I click on that, as you can see that over here, which is asset with the stock valuations are available over here. Okay, so this is how you can see the stock valuations. Okay, so this is how you can select your, all the valuations, inventory valuation, the number of the stocks that you have available, you can see on your balance sheet. So this is how you can valuations of your stocks in the Flectra database. Thank you for this video. For the next video, till then, stay with us.